Hi everybody, welcome to Vickyville. I wanted to share with you an unboxing to a subscription that I absolutely adore, and that is from Pink and Main. As you know, I always talk about the bow dies and all those things, and I have been receiving this subscription probably for about 6 months now. Yeah, or longer. And every single one of them has been spectacular, and I'm gonna really try to unbox them for you each time. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up. So it comes like this, and it's wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. And I always love to see what the theme is. This is November's box. And what I love about it is it always comes in this like mesh pouch. I like to store mine in the boxes only because I think that they are so cute and pink. I love that her dies are all pink as well. And oh my God, it's so exciting. You open it up. Well, first off, let me share with you what it comes with. In this box, you're gonna get this kind of like, what color is this? It's basil paper, which is like the best paper. And this color is in, I can't really see the color. I should probably be wearing my glasses. But it's like really pretty blue, like a sky blue. And then this is like a peach color in basil. I know the lighting's probably not that good. I'm filming at night again. Here I go. And then it has this chunky pink glitter paper. This really pretty butter yellow basil. This textured like tan, and then it has 1, 2 really smooth white stamping paper, and that's always a lot of fun when you are making a ton of cards. So I love that it always comes with those different papers to stamp with or to make cards with. I think that is so awesome. Okay, so I'm going to open up the pencil pouch. The mesh, why can't I talk today? The mesh pouch, and let me go ahead and show you. It comes with, always it has a postcard. This one says hello friend. This is the November 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit called Hello You. The kit includes, and then it'll give you everything that it includes there, and so it kind of gives you the information on what you're going to be getting in your kit, which if you want to see, I guess you could screenshot that. So that is super cool. And let me show it to you up front. So first off, there's the cutest little, oh my goodness, little button or pin that says friend. And then it has the little, so cute. On color it looks blue, but it's actually a white background. So that is adorable. Then you get this beautiful sequins mix with all the colors that coordinate really well with the kit. Then you get these, oh my gosh, they are like glittery enamel dots. So pretty. Then you get the 6x6 paper pad called Pastel Dreams. And I like that it's kind of like a basic. So you have your polka dot, your plaid, your stripes. And I love having those for cards because you always need that basic color that is, you know, doesn't have that, you know, themed paper or whatever, that you could use this on so many different options of cards. And so let me just flip through it really fast for you. Can you see that? And it's double-sided, so that's amazing. So really pretty. One more time. And the texture of it is really nice with weight as well. So that's also good. Then you get this Pink and Main stencil, which this one is called, I believe it's called the World stencil. but it looks like it's like almost like starburst. Sorry, my ring light's there, but you can see the pattern on that. It's really pretty. And then it also has in this embossing folder that is similar. This one is called Petals, so this must be Petals. There's the stencil, and then this is the embossing folder. So that would be really beautiful for a background for a card base. I think that's really pretty. Can't wait to play with that. And then this awesome stamp set here. You can see there's like a wreath and it says hello, where you could color it in or you could just stamp it with a color. And this is called Hello You. And some of the sentiments say, hello, you've been on my mind lately. Have a wonderful day, friend. I am grateful for you. I made this just for you. And then you and lovely. So I guess you could put like hello lovely, hello you. And yeah, I mean the wreath, I'm thinking I'm gonna do it in Christmas colors, so I can do that as well. But it's also really, you know, it's nice that I can use it all year round in different colors. You could make a Valentine's wreath, you could make an Easter wreath, you could make a Christmas, St. Patrick's, the sky's the limit. You just, you know, color it in the colors, and you can use the stencil, you could use the embossing folder, and it not only does it come with these, it also comes with the die. So I don't really mind fussy cutting, but if there's an intricate stamp like this one, I prefer to have the die, especially if you're going to be making a bunch of them, which I'm going to probably use this for some of my Christmas cards this year. So that's nice that I'll be able to cut a bunch at one time. So yeah, this is the Pink and Main for November. I am loving it. I love you guys, honestly, I wouldn't lie to you. I really do enjoy this box, and I hope that you liked it too. And if you comment below if you want to see some of the different projects and cards and stuff that I'll be making with this box. But just wanted to say thank you for watching. As you could tell, I'm already in the Christmas mood. I filmed some videos earlier for Scrapbook Expo, and so I was already in Christmas gear because the videos are going to film on, they're going to broadcast on Saturday, December 4th. So if you want to watch that, it's going to be a classic shop at home, but there's going to be a lot of good deals. So you're going to want to catch that for Stampin' Scrapbook Expo shop at home. That's this Saturday, and it starts at 9 a.m. I believe. But that's why I was like, I don't want to waste this, you know, big bow that I have here. And this is a thrift store find. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post a video of the actual outfit that I'm wearing here. And yeah, I got this at the thrift store for $4.99, so you can't beat that. All right, you guys, love you. Oh, and then look at these Santa earrings. What are they? They're from Target, and it's called Sugar. What is it? Sugar. I can't. I'll look and then I'll tell you in my next video. You guys know it's Sugar Rush or Sugar Fresh, or you know, the really cute earrings. Comment below and let me know if you know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, it's been a long day. But thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. And remember to always keep it crafty. Vickyville loves you.